So today I'm going to show you a really cute flower girl hairstyle on the adorable Esme. She is amazing, such a good hair model. So I've started off by curling Esme's hair and then going to grab hold of a section at the crown and put that into a hair tie. I'm just using an elastic today, like a fine hair elastic. And then if you want to, you can just tease that hair up just to kind of loosen it off a little bit, make it look a bit softer. And then I made these kind of like mini bouquets. They're fresh flowers that I just tied together with another elastic. And then I'm going to wrap that up so you can't see anything. So I've taken a small section of hair, wrapping it around, and then using another small elastic just to secure that into place, like so. And then you're going to grab another section of hair. So I'm just using my fingers with this style, no combs. And then I'm going to place another elastic there. And then I want you to create almost like a bubble braid. So hold on to that elastic and just tease out that middle section. Make it as big as you want to. I went quite big with this style today. And then again, another mini bouquet going in there. And then I'm going to wrap that again. Make sure it all looks really cute and flower girly. Now this last section, what I want you to do is grab the last section, put an elastic in, but this time you're going to flip it. So make a hole, grab the end of the pony and flip it through, and then hold onto that elastic again and just tease up. Can you see I'm pulling up with my fingers? Make that as big as you want to. And then again, you're going to go in with another little bouquet of flowers and just place that. So I'm using the elastic to push the little bouquets in so it's secure, so I don't need to use hair grips. And then there's a few little strands at the front that I just wanted to put up and sort of have that curl coming down through the centre like that. And then you're going to see Esme do a lovely spin, the amazing model that she is. Look how cute this style is. Totally kid proof. It will last throughout the day. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.